Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to upgrade Laravel 10 to Laravel 11. So let's start. So first of all, we have a project here open in the Visual Studio Code. So let's check the version of it. So PHP Artisan and dash dash version. And here you can see the current version of this project is Laravel 10. So here in the Laravel website, I have opened the upgrade guide from Laravel 10 to Laravel 11. So here they have listed all of the changes, high impact changes, medium impact changes, and low. So if you want, you can read all of these. What are the changes that they have made? The first and most important thing is that you have to update from the older version of PHP. So the minimum requirement for Laravel 11 is PHP 8.2. So you need to install at least 8.2 PHP version. The rest of the things here you can update in the composer.json. So first of all, the Laravel framework that is 11. So let's open the composer.json file. And here require, so Laravel framework that is 10 now. So let's change it to Laravel 11. Second thing is this collision. So 8.1. So here this is 7.0, so let's change this to 8.1. Now, if you have installed these things, Breeze, Cacher, or any of these things, then you need to change the values of these ones as well. And the details for these ones, for each of these, are listed here below, so you can check what changes are made and how you can upgrade these. So, for example, if I scroll down, here you can see queues and the cacher stripe, port, and sanctum, for example. So, what changes are made and how can you upgrade it? So, you can read all of these details. Okay. So, for example, in sanctum, you have to copy this and paste it in the file where it says, and you have to change the version as well if you are using the middlewares. But for this video, I will not do that. And here we have Laravel Centum. So here we need Laravel Centum 4.0. So 4.0. But in this project, I am not using the middleware, so I will not do it according to this. Yeah. But if you are using middlewares in your project, so you can copy this and follow this documentation. Okay. So now show this file, and the PHP version should be 8.2. I already have installed PHP 8.2, so I'll just change this. And now let's update this. So composer update. And now all of the things will be updated. So that's it. All of the things are updated. And now if we check, So PHP Artisan latest version, and here you can see the Laravel framework version is 11.7.0 currently. So successfully we have upgraded from Laravel 10 to 11, and now let's check. So PHP Artisan. So and now let's check this now. So refresh the page, and now you can see this is working, and if we click on the post, so it's working as well. So that means we have successfully updated from Laravel 10 to 11. So that's all about in this video, and see you in the next video.